everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rose again. So, do not try copy other bloggers, just be yourself. People love watching someone real and honest. If you make mistake, that's okay. You can edit them out. Remember, your viewers will like you for who you are. So, huwag gayahin ang ibang vlogger, magpakatotoo ka lang sa sarili mo. Gusto ng mga tao ang tapat at totoo. Magkamali, ayos lang, pwede mo namang i-edit. Ang mahalaga, tanggap ka ng viewers kung sino ka talaga. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!